Hello, guys. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, team. Hello, team. Hey, hello, guys. Hello. Nice to see you people again. It's the day 24th. Yeah, that's the day 24th for today, guys. Day 24 of our life transformation, of our success affirmations. And how quickly the time passes, guys. It's just like we started yesterday, and today we are like day 24. Very soon, a month is going to happen. And what incredible job! It was really awesome. It was really beautiful. Okay, the journey with you people really amazing, and we didn't think like it would like so quickly reach to this state, right? 24 days, that means a lot, guys. And if you are consistent over this long period of time, that really means something, guys. Okay, how quickly, if you just decide and if you just commit yourself, how nicely the things would be turning out for you people. And that is really incredible. Okay, many of the people might not have added anything to their life, or they would have done something here and there. But what we are doing a life transformation in this corona closure, and that is something brilliant. Okay, who would have thought about it? Okay, I personally never thought about it, that I would be utilizing this time in this particular manner. I was all like, work, 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 let's get the things going, let's go back to office, let's continue. But that's what the thoughts just happens, and the situations in life just falls in place, and somewhere I felt this, somewhere you connected, we are in this mutual agreement, and that's so beautiful. Okay, and I know that these things would be helping a lot of people. Yeah, there are a lot of insights, and these are the principles by which I am living my life basically, and I have seen the results are remarkable. And why I have landed on these principles is by watching, by reading, by exploring about very successful people. Yes, Amit, even I too. Yeah, so you too. I know that these principles would really be amazing, and I have followed some of the very successful people of the world, and then trying to apply those principles on ourselves. And this is something really remarkable. Okay, and when the great people, when the successful people apply these things, so we should just, it's not required to reinvent the entire wheel again, right? You just have to utilize. And this, we are here, like we are in this 21st century. Lot of time has gone already on the planet, guys, and with so much time gone, there are many people who have discovered, explored a lot. Many people have reached to a great level of success, and we just need to see what they have done, evaluate, analyze, and fit it as per our situation. And that's where we are doing right now, and trying to provide more value so that you can tally it up. Okay, the main reason of what we are doing right now, it is like your brain starts thinking and evaluating all these possibilities to yourself. So it's not just about listening, it's about thinking, it's about growing yourself in terms of your maturity, in terms of how you look at opportunities in situations around you. It has a whole lot of a meaning. Okay, and today, by doing this, we have reached to this incredible position, to this amazing position of 24 consecutive days of success affirmations. Now that says something about it, right? That's really good. Now today, okay, I want to speak very briefly about one of a very important topic which we have not covered throughout. Okay, and I got this thought after based on the today morning's observation. Okay, when I ask a question, how many of you people completed the meditative practice? Okay, and there were like only, I think, one person responded to that, others were like maybe not. Okay, now I want to tell you why meditation is so much important. Okay, and it is important to such a kind of a extent that you might just feel it's mandatory for you to have it. Okay, and many people, their entire life, they don't perform these practices, and that's where there is a effect of not doing it. So what will happen if you really do it is amazing, but if you don't do it, you would actually suffer, and that's why a lot of people in the world are suffering. So it's an eye opener day again today. We have been doing a lot of eye opener talks throughout this success affirmations. We're discovering new angles of life, and today I would like to put some precise focus. Some of you might be knowing it, but still, if you have not performed it, that means the value of that is not really accepted deep down inside you. So you need to value it, you need to understand why it is required, what is the importance of it for yourself, and how would it grow you as an overall person and personality. That's really required to understand. Okay, now, very simple thing. Okay, Very simple thing, because others have already done all this research work, so I don't have to go and test all these things for myself. There is a lot of evidence provided, there are a lot of scientific experiments happened about all these things, so there is already a lot of research put into it. There are results which the world is believing. Just the thing is, we just have to understand it, fit it to our life, and enjoy the results of it. It's that simple. Okay, now what exactly these things? So basically, okay, you might be seeing that different people, okay, just general life observation, looking at different people, you would find that there is different kind of energy in different people, right? Somebody might be like so active, so sharp, somebody would be so dull, so like low in attitude, low in personality, the way they are talking is so soft, hi, hello, voice is not coming out. Somebody lacking in confidence, but somebody like full of energy, like okay, what next boxing, let's do this, let's do that. There could be different flavors of people around, right? That means everybody is carrying a different kind of a energy form inside. Okay, you would be sensing it. Okay guys, there are situations all of a sudden, okay, if you sense somebody like there have been some cases like while we were doing some meetings in our offices, or some like personalities, or like very successful big people, just their presence, if you are going to some seminars, okay, if you are going to the seminars, just looking at some the big people who would be coming for the seminars, they would carry so electrifying energy that just their presence, the way they are walking, it would be so sparky that you would realize, hey, something is different with these people. You will find that. Okay, that means what they carry along with themselves reflects all of a sudden to all the other people. The way they walk, the way they talk, the energy they portray, it is completely different. Okay, you can just assume maybe I am carrying some of that energy in me as well, so the way I am talking, my energy pool actually starts rising high. Okay, compare it to a different situation, it might be. So it depends, like the energy forms within your body keeps changing, and everybody has that. And now what happens is, this energy which you have, a lot of people ask these questions, how to always be pumped up in energy. Why? Because if you have energy, you would be more dedicated, more focused for doing more work, to giving more contribution, and then results would be coming more. But if you are already feeling like lazy, not really doing something, if you are completely lying in your bed and like, okay, it's okay, I will do it after 2 hours, that kind of attitude would happen when you are having low energy in you. So you need to understand, different people at different point of time in their life go through different kind of energy phases inside them. Somebody, when they are full with energy, they would be more effective in work, they would be more effective in getting the results done. That means high energy is always required. If that energy portion is low, you would feel very down, you would not be getting results, your work would not be happening, everything would start shuffling around. And you need to understand, that means energy is required for your body for doing a lot of things. First, your basic activities of life, like even like now you sitting and listening to this, your brain is processing, there is energy required for that. I speaking, energy required for that. You hearing, processing, energy required for that. You do anything, you walk, you dance, you do anything, you need energy. And if you are having lack of energy, less energy inside you, so all these activities which you perform would be having lower impacts. Now just imagine, you want to have a productive life, you want to have a successful life, you want to achieve so big goals. Now all the targets are big, but what if your energy is low? So when your energy is low, how can you get so big of a effect? Right? So you need to understand what kind of a body, what kind of a mind you have, and then you need to break down the mechanics. So your dreams, your desires, everything big, but your energy if low, it's a problem. So your energy should also be big, it should also be powerful, so that you can be full in your pumped up situation, full running with fire inside you, so that you can go and get your goals. Your energy needs to be at the epic level. Now, fine, understood. We all know that there are people, when they walk in, they emit some energy. You feel like, oh, there is action, action, action. At different days, you would have experienced, sometimes you're like full sparky. For example, if you're doing something which you love, that's why people say, do something which you like, do something which you love. If you are passionate about dancing, painting, your energy senses would become so active at that time, right? So it depends upon a lot of things basically. But if you're doing something just for doing the time pass sake, you would be pretty low in your energy. So that lot of things matter. Now, when we know all that, okay, everybody gets energies, leaves and all. Now, people. what they are saying is, okay, in the today's world, one core system by which your body gets energy is the food. Okay, everybody, you know that thing. Whatever you eat the food, it goes inside, it converts into energy, and then your body gets active and power to do something. Okay, but do you know this fact? Food contributes to some less amount of energy compared to what your actually body needs. It gives energy, but it is not sufficient for your entire body to run effectively. It performs the bare minimum. Why it performs bare minimum? There is a reason for that. Because we are following so many wrong food habits, junk food, this food, that food, which never gets properly converted into energy. And now what happens is, your body, whatever existing energy it had with proper food, when you eat junk, for digesting this junk food, you consume the energy which you have consumed from proper food. That means whatever you are eating, whatever food habits you have, that is first not getting properly converted into energy, and what energy you already had, you are exhausting it to consume the junk food. So that means whatever food you are consuming is not sufficient to keep yourself always pumped up in energy. You need to understand this fact, very important. That's where people say choose what food you want. There is a reason behind everything. Taste might be affected, but there is a reason behind everything. So you have to be logical. When your goals are big, you have to plan your life accordingly. Small people with small goals, weak people with no aims in life, they can fall prey to all of these situations. But those who have big dreams, they have to plan their life properly. That's where you're waking up early in the morning, because you could have taken a ambition like, I'll still sleep, because sleeping early in the morning is good, I will be like more relaxed. But you're doing it differently. You have taken up charge of your life because you want to become great. So you need to understand, if you are on a journey of becoming successful, becoming powerful, so all your actions which you do have to abide. So I have started avoiding some of the junk food for myself, because I find that I am exhausting my energy to consume that food, and it is not adding me any value. Once in a while for taste sake it's fine, but don't get habituated for it. Have a thought, have a logical approach towards life, guys. Done. So that means food is not sufficient. Now what is the second thing people say? People say have proper sleep. Yeah, these are the two things. If you need to have proper energy, you need to have the right food, and then you need to have proper sleep. And then you would be like, okay, this guy Tausif came and he said, okay, let's wake up at 6 a.m. I used to be like 8 a.m., 9 a.m. person. Now he's asking to wake up at 6. And now night time, I'm getting so much tight, heavy sleep. And he's coming at 10 p.m. also. Now he has completely screwed up my life. Some of you might be actually thinking that, guys, I'm not screwing it up. I'm actually putting it into the right pattern, which will transform you as a person, okay? But now the thing is, if you don't then apply other practices on you, then you find that it would impact you somewhere. That's where now I'm even uncovering or discovering some more ideas, more practices, which should become mandatory with this new pattern of life. Just one decision doesn't just run by itself. If you have taken a decision, you have to adjust all the pieces around it so that your decision converts into actual result. Very important. And that's where we are now putting all these pieces together. Waking up early was one of a piece. Sleeping now, what would happen? Why am I telling you that after you wake up, don't sleep during the day? There is a reason for that. If you don't sleep during the day, I have experienced it myself. When I used to wake up at like 5 a.m. daily, all of a sudden by 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m., it used to be like my brain is going through a shutdown situation by itself. Like I would not be having power to even awake or stay awake. All of a sudden, like, I'm exhausted. Now what is happening? Because I'm waking up at 5, so your body is pushing you by, and you need some minimum sleep, and the body would automatically shut down. That means very important thing. People, if you would have evaluated something about sleep, people would say that there are different phases of sleep which happens. There is only one critical portion of the sleep, which is called as the deep sleep period. And that's the most beautiful part, and the most solid recovery of your body happens only in the deep sleep period. So no matter even if you're sleeping like 7 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, that does not mean your deep sleep portion is actually that long. It might be way too less. It might just be a few couple of hours in your entire journey. That means whatever sleep you are doing, it's not actually adding value to your life. But if you apply this kind of a principle, like waking up morning sharp, evening time your brain would automatically push you to go for a sleep. It would be a sharp shutdown, and when this shutdown happens, the frequency, the duration of deep sleep would increase in your life. It works, these mechanisms work. And when this duration of deep sleep improves, now you need to understand one thing. A beautiful thing happens, guys, and this is where now I'm trying to put up a very interesting fact in front of you people. The second reason of why you get energy when you sleep, why people sleep, are the two core pillars for having proper energy and health. It matters why that happens. The first thing you need to focus about deep sleep, that is where there are so many gadgets. You wake up in the morning, it would calculate your time, like devices already, like a lot of advance has happened in that area. Now the fact, when you are in, very careful, okay, there is something called as cosmic energy. Okay, some of you might have heard this term, some of you might have heard it, not really known much about it, some of you might have actually done R&D about it, but a fact which is required for everybody to know. Dekho, we are living in a life, guys, okay? And all the factors which would be affecting your life, it's your mandatory responsibility to actually understand these facts. And believe it, guys, right from the day you were born till today, you were always affected by this cosmic energy. And if there is something which affects your way of living, you need to know how it works so that you can better apply these things on you. Yes, very important. Now, there is a concept that the entire universe is connected by this cosmic energy. Everything, whatever is empty, is connected by cosmic energy. Like I sitting here in my place right now, you sitting at your home, we are all connected. If there is space between us, it's completely filled with cosmic energy. The planets, the stars, the universe, everything is filled with this cosmic energy. That is the gap filler. Basically, the cosmic energy is the gap filler of the entire universe. These things have been known since ages. The ancient traditions, there are a lot of literature which has all these things, specifying it way too detailed manner. But recently, since a few decades past, there have been even scientific proofs about it. That's where which people call it as well the term quantum physics. The quantum physics, where there are like minor quantum particles which connects the entire cosmos together, which connects the entire universe together. So that is the form of energy. And now what people say, when you are in this deep sleep period, okay, this cosmic energy is available 24 by 7. It covers everything around us. What people say, when you are in the deep sleep period, at that time this cosmic energy enters your body, head, very coolly, very calmly inside. It happens only during deep sleep period, and which is a pretty small section. If you are having a stressful life pattern, you might not even get into a deep sleep manner. Your phone's ringing, you might be in a support work in the project or coming late, you're already exhausted, you might not really be getting this deep sleep period. And just imagine what we said, small daily improvements will make you somebody. Similarly, small daily downfall in your personality would actually make you suffer a lot. And what are we doing? Small, regularly, but consistently, we are pressurizing ourselves of work. We are pressurizing ourselves of lack of sleep every night, like 1 a.m.s, 2 a.m.s. We are trying to sleep. No pattern to life. We are eating all junk. Small daily deterioration in your body is going to affect you very bad. Simple. Positive things also happen like that, negative things also happen like that. That's where I tell very importantly, you are the byproduct of the actions which you have taken in your life. Nobody else is supposed to be blamed. You are supposed to be blamed for the person you have become right now, in your thought process, in your health process, in the kind of a life you are living right now. Your actions have brought you here. If your actions, wrong actions has brought you here, you still have the chance to correct it by taking right actions up ahead in future. Okay, now going back to the point, understand very important things, guys. These things affect your daily working life patterns, very important to realize. Now what happens, so when you're sleeping, deep sleep period, this cosmic energy enters your body, and it is said It is said that once this cosmic energy enters your body, that is the second kind of a energy force which is going to energize your body. Food was one, second is cosmic energy. So sleep, that actually doesn't do something great, it relaxes you down fine, but it opens the gate. The deep sleep duration opens the gate for this cosmic energy to get inside your body, and the more cosmic energy you have, your body gets more energized, and when you do work, it would be having more effects. That's how it works. Okay, now the fact what we are saying, it generally gets in only during the deep sleep period, and now people are really finding it tough. One day you take this time calculator, put it around your wrist and sleep, you would realize how much of the deep sleep you are having on a daily basis is pretty low. Now what is happening is we are eating junk food, we are not eating proper food, already the body is low in energy because of that. Second, we are not getting proper sleep, we are so much stressed these days, we are so much worried these days, we are so much occupied and distracted in the social media world right now, that we are not having proper sleeps, guys. Realize it, we are not having proper sleep. And when we don't have it, this chances of consuming the cosmic energy also affected. Now when you are in all this situation, how can you be pumped with energy, guys? How will you be pumped with energy? You're closing all the doors which can energize yourself because you don't know it. Knowingly, unknowingly, you are falling a victim to this situation. So understand this fact. It's required. Now, we need to decode this fact, that why cosmic energy. So people say that if you get more of this cosmic energy, your body would always be more pumped, more energized, more dynamic, more active. That's the secret of becoming so much active. Food control is one, but even people say like with proper food also to some extent would be possible, but easy and the most powerful way is insertion of this cosmic energy inside your body. That would make you more ready, more great way of actually building up your health. Now you need to rediscover this point. Logical, everything is logical. Like, okay, why does cosmic energy, when it is available 24 by 7, right, it's available 24 by 7, when it is available, why does it get inside your brain only during deep sleep period? What is the difference between, what is your state of the mind and body during this deep sleep, which is not there in rest of the time or day or night? What is so significant about deep sleep? You need to uncover this mystery now. And it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. The deep sleep is that phase of your night. At that time, your body would be completely relaxed. No movements, completely chilled out. Your heart rates would be completely relaxed. That's why these sensors would be calculating all that and then saying that you are in a deep sleep period. Your body, your internal pieces would all be completely relaxed. That's the state one. And the second significance about deep sleep is that your mind will not be having thoughts, no dreams, nothing, a complete peace inside. Physical body as well as your mental thought process completely sleeping inside. What we said, the subconscious mind still keeps working by the time you're active because it's consuming. That's where try to have a sleep in an area where there is not much noise. Would get in more deep sleep periods more frequently because your subconscious mind will not have anything to process. It will also calm down, and that's where you get very small portions of deep sleep during night. So it is a state where your body is peaceful, where your mind and the thought process is peaceful. Important. Now, what is happening is when you are in that state of mind, then the door for the cosmos opens, the cosmic energy starts getting into your body and it energizes you. And now you know the reason, because you are so much worried, so much disturbed. You sleep around an environment where there is noise, there is no peace, there is no calmness. You are like completely till night time on your social media, rolling the apps, talking to the people, doing all kind of stuff, and then just exhausted and slept. Still the brain is working because you have not given time to relax anything. The brain is still trying to process, and by the time morning comes up, you again wake up with a rush for like today, not caring about like whatever was tomorrow. You are still worried. Your entire life is basically going like that, guys. Understand these facts, very important thing. Now you need to realize this fact, like cosmic energy gets inside your body when you are in this deep sleep portions, and now we are not living a life where you are having sufficient deep sleep, and lack of proper deep sleep over a period of time is going to impact your energy consumption in the body. That's how it happens. Okay, now the fact, if deep sleep is not low, what's the other way? And the other way by which you can open the doors of this cosmic energy into your life is through meditation. It is through meditation, and with a right amount of meditation. What is meditation? It's just calming yourself down. Okay? Body, very relaxed body, peaceful body, as if you are in a deep sleep situation but you are awake. Relaxing the body, relaxing your mind. That's what is meditation. Nothing happening inside you, peace of mind. And when you achieve that state at any given point of the day, the door opens, the energy starts sinking up inside. So that means if you are doing 2 hours of solid meditation, it is way more, way bigger than sleeping for 8 hours. Why you need sleep? You need sleep for energizing your body. You are consuming that. There are a lot of yogic gurus doing yogic practices. They still sleep only 3 hours, 4 hours a day, 5 hours a day maximum. From 24 hours, just 4 5 hours. Now the medical science, they are all saying like you need minimum of 7 to 8. They are telling those facts based on the lifestyle which people have chosen these days. But you are a machine, you can customize and tune up your system. So how are those yogi gurus able to just sleep for 3 4 hours and still stay full active throughout the day, living their life to the fullest? Because they consume these other practices. What people would consume by 5 hours of sleep, they might just meditate for 1 hour, by the right practice consume that energy and get energized. So you need to understand all these facts. And that's where I'm telling you, in this world that we are living right now, where you're not having proper sleep, so you need to take some time out for meditation. What might not be possible throughout your night, with a peace of mind, like 15 minutes, half an hour in the morning, if you do it, you would be getting more results. And the point is, again, the more you do it, the more better you get with that, and the more you start consuming it in your life. That's where I said, start your day the first thing with a peace of mind, with a cool calm mind, and that would give you the energy to be more pumped. No matter what has happened during night, you slept, you didn't sleep, but the more you do it, the more you get better in that. And the reason why the cosmic energy does not get into our body throughout the day is because you are so much consumed, and it happens only when your body is relaxed, your mind is relaxed. But throughout the day, you're busy, always thoughts running in your mind. That's where it's recommended do meditation. Okay, understood, clear? That's where, so you have to reverse engineer your life. Instead of somebody just telling why do meditation, you should try to evaluate for yourself why to do, what is the advantage of that. And once you know this entire chain, then you would be more convinced to do meditation. It's not for the sake of just telling to people, hey, I meditate. It's not for that. It is something which is going to help your life, which is going to change your life. And that's where it's important that you have to do it. Okay, very important again. So that's where I'm saying, first practice when you wake up in the morning, at least start small, start with 5 minutes, because the small steps you take over a period, someday you have to start, all of a sudden you're not going to be like 100% perfect in that. Day one would be small improvements, but daily when you're doing it, the body accustoms. So if you are waking up at 6, try to fit in maybe 5 minutes of meditation, 10 15 minutes of exercise, then a shower, then coming at 6:30. Start with that. It's okay to have small exercise bracket also. Slowly, that's what, guys, slowly improve your bracket so that you get more results. Okay, slowly make these changes. All of a sudden your body might not do everything at the same time. Start with small improvements which your body would adapt, then you can balance up these times. Everything is customizable. There is nothing like right or wrong thing. Okay, you can do what is required for you. So that way I am telling you guys, like, it is very important. Even if no matter what time you're waking up, don't wake up at 6:30 and then say like, Tausif, I need to do meditation. No, 6:30 is like our growth time, mindset time is 6:30. So all you want to do, try to do it before that. And after that, if you're not sleeping, you would get very nice sleep during the night. and you would be then setting up a different sleeping pattern, waking up pattern. Your body is now tuning to a different algorithm, a different process altogether, and that would be so great. And you don't know how much big value this is going to give to your life. It is really going to change your life to the complete new level, guys. This is not easy stuff. I know it is very tough. It is very tough to actually change your life pattern all of a sudden, big time. And what you guys are doing, I really appreciate that. If you have never tried it in your life and this is the first time you are doing it, I would really say that you're doing awesome job, guys, because many people have tried and they have failed. I know that people fail even after for trying for few days. That's where I want to push more with you people and then make it mandatory, like let's show up, let's show up, let's show up. We'll do it consistently for some time, and then you would find that your body is tuned up in rhythm, and it has got so better in that. And that's where we are doing these practices together to push each other. Okay, now this was me, Tausif Sheikh, as part of our 24th day of success affirmations. Now, I just wanted to tell you a few things. Like already in the morning, I told about it. Okay, I think most of you, I think all the you guys are only turning up in the morning. But just assume, yeah, again. But as part of our official slot, I am telling like, okay, what is today is 21st. Okay, we are running into our fourth week of success affirmation. Okay, and the way I was planning it to have like more concrete proper plans so that you can get it very much effective, and the core ideas, the core principles which I wanted to share it with you people, which can change your life. I've tried to put all of that thing to you guys. Okay, and I want that going further you apply with all these principles. Now I'm having the plan to wind up these kind of success affirmations for this season, okay, by the end of this week. Okay, maybe Saturday we will just be closing it. Okay, Saturday we just close, it's going to be last, which is like 25th of April. Okay, for this season it's the last day where we are like closing up. I have shared all my knowledge which I wanted, the core blocks which can transform your life. Okay, I've shared the valuable insights. We did some practical experiments inside it, we did regular success affirmations, we did the goal setting, we did all that stuff. And then I realized that just setting the goals is not important, we need to achieve. That's where we are doing two things together now practically: setting up a morning routine, a very great thing, along with that strategizing and working towards our goal achievement. So that section is still open, but the evening slot, all the content which I wanted to give to you people, I've tried to put it into proper way, and by this 25th we would be winding it up. Okay, that does not mean, that I am stopping these practices. Why? Because I know that all these things are required for people to know. Okay, do you guys believe in it, right? All these things would really give value to a lot of people. It would change many lives around, and I know that you have also known it, and the messages which I am getting from you people in the chat, it has started transforming and changing your life too. That means these things, if many people know it, many people know it, it would be helpful for so many. That's where straight starting from next Monday onwards, so this Saturday we wind up with the season 1. From Monday onwards, without giving another gap, okay, just with a Sunday break, Monday we again start with the season 2 of our success affirmations, which I will call it this time life transformation. So it would be a complete more detailed but a properly more organized approach. Okay, so this was the first one, so a lot of thoughts, everything was going around, it was huge value add, but now I'm trying to structureize it more, make it more like concrete to these people. I have given another thought to all of these sessions, and then I found like, is there a better way of doing a few things which can be like more impactful? I know already these sessions are impactful, but how can I give more value so that it helps and affects other people? That's my plan. So from 27th, which is next Monday, again 10 p.m, I will be continuing on this. Okay, I would be meeting up, coming live and performing these practices. Now out of all those people, if you are not having anything else to do, tuning up, dekho guys, your subconscious mind doesn't work on knowledge, it works on repetition, it works on practice. So if you feel like coming again, listening these sessions again, so you're always welcomed. Okay, we would be continuing this journey for self evolution, always, always, always. We would keep repeating it. The more you do, the more it get better. But now the most important thing, the reason for doing it again, is we should improve the life of the other people. It's very important. The world that we are living in right now, heading up right now, we don't know. We need strong people to mentally be strong, to physically be strong, to emotionally be strong, because the life situations are pretty horrible these days. We need people who are rock solid inside, who are capable to solve these worldly problems, but with a very kind heart. Not like selfish people, not like angry attacking people. Kind people but powerful people. The world needs them. And this is the practice which we are doing. We are transforming life so that we become those powerful people which can lead this change in the world, which can add more value to life, which can do greatness to the world. And that's one of the initiative which we are planning as part of these evening sessions. So I would highly recommend all you people, you know what we do. There is no charge involved in all this. You know, it's all a free service because we want to change each other. We want to help each other. I don't want people to come up with excuses for not doing it or not getting it done. So now let's own up this responsibility. If you have some people which you feel that their life should also be changed, I would request you that ask those people to show up along with you. And I would even request, like, if you're not doing something else, I would request that you also show up, guys, because the more reputation, the more tuned up your life is going to become, the more results you would be having on your life when you're continuously feeding. Again, daily negative improvements, your life gets down. Daily positive improvements, it goes at the epic. And the one example which I showed, as long as I was reading, consuming new thoughts, my brain was working in different way. Even though I have the knowledge but not practicing it, my brain was getting flat. So that's where, even if you want to join in the season 2 again, but more value is would be like, if you can get more people around for this, we can affect more lives in this. We can change the world around in a very beautiful manner. And believe it, guys, what we are doing, there is very less population of the entire world who are doing these practices. And that's one of a key reason of these sessions, that to make people practical, not just give theory, not just take them and like they go away. Because I know that these recordings, these theories would not add any value to your life. Knowledge is just potential power. When you make it into practical results, when you do actions on them, when you apply a mindset on a regular basis, that's important, on a regular basis, so then it is going to transform. And again, when we start on the season 2, 27th of Monday, yes, 27th April, on this coming Monday, 10 p.m. sharp, again it is going to be a 4-week thing, but I'll try to structurize it more properly and consume it to the more proper extent. So I would request that if you guys want to involve more people, go ahead, do that. But now let's get started with our day 24 success affirmations, okay, where we are going to change our life completely to the whole new level by not just consuming the theory, by doing this practical. And the practical action item for today was, tomorrow morning when you're waking up, give at least 5 minutes for meditation. And what you want to do for meditation, simple, just sit in one position, crossed legs, palms like this, and just try to relax down. Just take deep breaths. Nothing else required. Nothing else required. You don't have to chant some mantras. You don't have to listen to some music. Nothing else required. A peace of mind just sitting like this. You might be getting thoughts. Take it, leave it. Take it, leave it. First day would be all full of thoughts. That's okay. You are starting. You are starting a baby step today, which after 6 months would be like a powerful meditator, which is running full with energy. And that's where the people keep asking questions. How do you get so much energy? What do you do to your life? These are the things which we do, and these things really work. And the same questions would be coming to you, so you should know the reason why, what is affecting in your life, and keep applying these practices. Your life would be changing to the whole new level, guys. This is miracle happening right here in this 21st century, 2020 year. Corona is troubling out there, but there are more lives being awakened as part of these life transforming sessions. And there are 10 people, positive, strong souls, who has hope in themselves, who would be dedicated, passionate, and ready to wake up again tomorrow morning. There is hope with you people, guys. Become consistent. Your body would resist, everything would happen negative, but there is one strong reason why you should do it. And that reason is to become more powerful in life, to transform your own self to the possibilities, to the potential which is stored inside you right now. And one reason is sufficient. So for whatever happens, whatever negative things trying to pull you back, one strong reason: I want to become great. I want to become great. This reason is sufficient for like breaking all the negativity and taking a responsibility of your life, because you want to become great. It's not about you want to become great. You are already great. You are already great. Your greatness is inside you. You want to open up your greatness. That's what you're doing. You're not taking some external factor. You are already that person. You're opening yourself. You're opening your heart. You're opening your mind. You're opening you as a person. And that is truly powerful. Now that's great, guys. So now let's start. That's where I would recommend. Show up again tomorrow. It would be painful. You might not have proper sleep, but show up. That would put a consistency to your life. The way you have been consistent for the evening sessions, if you are that consistent for the morning sessions, believe it, guys, it's a written stamp that your life would change for the better. It is going to change. There is no two ways in that, because your brain thinks more, works more, finds more opportunity, gets more results. That's how it works. Many people don't do it. They don't get that form of life. So now let's get started. Cool, calm, just focus on the words, feel these words, enjoy your life, guys. Life is not about pressurizing yourself and forcing yourself like learn. No. Life is about peace, logical understanding, applying, seeing results, working, not working, evaluating. But being at peace is more important. Being happy inside. With anger like and frustration, if you want to learn, you would never be able to enjoy life. Have a pretty ease to the life, guys, and the more meditation you do, you would start becoming more peaceful. There is scientific evidence that the people who do more meditation, a different chemicals eject in their brain, which would calm down the pressure and stress levels. Your mind increase. There is lot of scientific evidence in that. So all those reasons support the fact, do meditation, you would be so peaceful, and then in a happy playful manner learn all these things, apply in that, because once you are in the playful environment, your learnings and your applications would be more good. Now that was Tausif Sheikh for day 24 of life transformation, success affirmations. Now let get started with our tune for the day, guys. Yes. Bang on. Close your eyes. All geared up for that.
I have all that I need in order to succeed.
Okay, close your eyes.
I am motivated.
I am motivated. Yes.
I am powerful.
Feel peaceful. Feel powerful
My
inside.
behavior is aligned with my balanced state of mind. Everything that I do serves my goals without affecting others. Each day I completely trust my intuition. I am healthy. I am beautiful. I am wise. I am made with the purpose of doing great things. I am a perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am a magnet attracting abundance in my life. Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and I move forward. I am successful in any area of my life. I am polite and respectful with any person that I meet. I am patient. I am the only one who can stop me. Everything is good right here, right now. I trust the universe that I am doing my best, no matter the situation. I am loyal. I am at peace with myself. I respect myself, and everything that I do is meant to fulfill me. I am open-minded, and I fully take advantage of all opportunities surrounding me. All my relationships have a purpose, and they fulfill me. I choose to see all the opportunities surrounding me. Prosperity surrounds me. Prosperity fulfills me. Prosperity flows towards me and through me. I am able to do amazing things. I am worthy. I am balanced. Everything that I need comes to me at the right moment. I am powerful and present in my own life. I am more than enough. I am full-hearted. I am special. I am at ease with the uncontrollable things happening in my life. I am ready for any challenges. I focus on the good in any given situation. I am aware of my mistakes and I learn from them. I make good decisions. I am calm and relaxed in any circumstances. I am the creator of my own life. I build its foundation and I choose its content. I am filled with energy and I exude happiness. I am far superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I am blessed with infinite talents and I use them every single day. I peacefully detach myself from negative people. I am inspired with new and good ideas. I am content with all my accomplishments. I am brave and I am kind. I am a positive person and my life is filled with prosperity. I am admired and many people acknowledge my results. I am blessed with health and motivation. I am indestructible. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am at peace with everything that happened, happens, and will happen in my life. I am a wonderful human being. I am proud of everything that I've accomplished so far. I feel good in my own skin. All the universe's beauty lies within me. I trust myself to create an amazing life. I am ambitious. I am fearless and I take risks. I accept new experiences. I am curious. I am a learner. I am grateful for my life. I am always happy around other people. I profoundly love myself. I am able to achieve great things in my life. My inner voice is always positive in any given situation. I can do everything I set my mind to. I completely trust myself. I am positive. My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness. I accept everyone around me. I am a miracle. I am powerful. I am limitless.
Yes, guys, open your eyes, feel fresh, feel energized. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so that was our day 24th. Yes, the 24th day of our success affirmations, and that's something really great. Consistency, and now we are transforming it into our morning sessions. Know this fact that tomorrow is going to be painful again for waking up. But guys, you need to pass through this initial barrier. The initial resistance would be the toughest. It would be more painful, more painful, more painful. But the person who will pass through this initial barrier, there are few people in the world who do that, and you all can become one of that. Okay. So one very important thing which I am applying, as soon as my first alarm rings, I wake up at 5:30. So as soon as my first alarm at 5:30 rings, the first thought which comes to my mind is the 5-second rule. That's it. And I just like, okay, within 5 seconds I just wake up. That's it. No second thought, no laziness thought like, okay, let's wait for, once you do that, let's wait for another snooze, or once you feel like it's okay, one day I'll lose, now what will happen, once you do that, and from that day that subconscious will start dominating you even more. So don't give that opportunity. Tomorrow it would happen again. Every day it is happening. I know it is tough, but you guys have to do it. Determination. Apply the 5-second rules with simple techniques. You can overcome. It might be painful, but it is fine. Small pain for a greater, brighter, happy future. It's worth it, guys. It's really worth it. So now looking forward to see you people tomorrow morning 6:30 again. Wake up early, make the most of it count. This was me, Tausif Sheikh, signing out for the day. Signing out for the day, wishing and hoping that we change many lives together. We are in a long-term game of life for transforming a lot of lives and making this world a beautiful place that we got for. Okay, let's do it together, guys. I am with you, you are with me, we are together doing it. So that's something awesome. Yep. Chalo, have a nice day, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. Yep. Bye. Thank you.